Apple has always managed to stay relevant, and they have done it again with the introduction of a new color to their existing iPhone 14 line. The striking yellow is a sight for sore eyes, and it is captivating enough to reel in the buyers. Here is a rundown of Apple's latest announcement and future plans. Starting from its availability, customers can pre-order the new yellow version of the iPhone 14 and 14 Plus from March 10th. This new color will be available for purchase in retail stores on March 14th, 2023. It's just a new way to market the product and adds no new features. Now, we have already established that Apple knows how to keep the buyers hooked. They have used this tactic before, and this approach allows Apple to keep their current product top of the mind for consumers while the new iPhone 15 launch is still 6 months away. We have seen similar instances in the past. In 2017 and 2018, the company released red versions of the iPhone 7 and iPhone 8 lines, respectively. In 2021, it added a purple iPhone 12. Last year, it released green versions of both the iPhone 13 and 13 Pro. There is one thing we need to keep in mind. Apple did not add any new colors for iPhone 14 Pro and Pro Max. These models will continue to come in black, gold, silver and purple. This edition is only for the iPhone 14 and 14 Plus. Coming on to the future of iPhone 15, Apple is expected to launch the next generation of iPhones in September. The lower-end versions of the iPhone 15 will have a new interface at the top of the device called the Dynamic Island. On the other hand, the iPhone 15 Pro will get more significant changes, including a new titanium design, faster processor, and periscope camera with much improved zoom. If you have no plans of switching over to the next generation, then have no fear. Apple has a few goodies in store for you. They have added new colors for its iPhone cases and watch bands. In the coming months, the company is also planning new Macs, including new MacBook Air models and the first Apple Silicon-based Mac Pro, as well as the introduction of its first mixed reality headset. Once again, Apple continues to demonstrate its commitment to innovation and meeting the evolving needs of its customers.